All right, well, John from Big Dreams Travel here, and we're doing a quick walkthrough of the Hyatt Ziva Resort here in Cancun. This is a multi-generational resort. It has an adults-only side and a family side and many experiences. So thanks for tuning in. We're just going to do a quick walk around. Make sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell. Let's go walk around Hyatt Ziva Cancun. We are headed from the main lobby here out the back to the ocean and the pools, and we are headed to the left. As we go through here, we'll give a quick walk around here of Hyatt Ziva Cancun. So one of the great things about this resort is it is the only resort in Cancun that has, sorry about the big pillar there, but that's the family tower over there. That's the largest tower, over 300 of the 500 and something odd rooms. But this is the only resort in Cancun that has 270 degrees of beachfront area because it's out on the edge of a peninsula here in the hotel zone. But just a beautiful shot there. So almost everything here is open to all tiers except for two venues. This is a bar that is located right off the lobby that's open in the evening for adults only, and also the French restaurant. And again, both of these not limited by where you're staying in the resort or class of service, but they are limited just by age. They are both adults only venues. Okay, and so we're heading back through the main lobby. I will just mention there are 7 specialty restaurants. 6 or 7, I want to make sure I heard that correctly. 6 or 7, including the French one that is all-inclusive, but they are all first come, first serve, so no specific reservations needed for those. They do have a special check-in desk here for wedding parties and those kind of things. And then also on the other side is the guest services and food and beverage team. You can actually book 30 days in advance if you want special dining reservation packages, which are an extra cost, private rooms for dining, which are an extra cost, or even cabana rentals at the pool. You can start booking those 30 days in advance by contacting the hotel or through your travel agent. So this area here that we're going to show you is the one area of the property that is limited only to turquoise level guests, which is the highest level, and in adults only. And so they have a private infinity pool and seating and a bar. So a great area. I may put some more B-roll in here of it as we look around. Up here you had the pyramid rooms on the other side, which are the standard rooms, but then the 2 other towers behind here, the tower on the left here behind the palm tree, there we go, that's the family club level tower, and then to the right is the turquoise tower, which is what this private pool is. That's the adults only upgraded tower. Both of those do also face the ocean because we're out on the point here, so again, that's the 270 degree views. But those are the other 2 buildings, so we're looking at the back of those buildings from where we are here. Do have some hot tubs up here. Beautiful area. And also up here on this level is one of the event spaces for weddings or other things. Has a capacity of up to 200 people up here, but some of the greatest views here up on this terrace. Okay, so we are going to go into the Asian specialty restaurant here. Not open yet, but just to look around and see what it's like. Now, every venue we see from here on out is going to be included for guests at all levels. And like we said, all the dining is first come, first served, the specialty dining. The only difference is hibachi, which we see over here. Hibachi does require a reservation just because of the limited seating space. And then also we are going to go in the private room over here, and I won't note this in every restaurant, but every restaurant here does have a private room that you can book. It is an additional cost, but this is one example of these.
lots of hotels in the evening. So you not only get
There is kind of a grill set up down here by the pool area. That's normally outdoors, but it is raining today. That's why it's up here under the overhang. But gonna head on a little further. Walking by here, they do have a wellness bar during the day, smoothies and juices and things like that. And then it is a tequila bar in the evenings. And then we're coming up on the buffet restaurant here, El Mercado, here at Hyatt Ziva. So the buffet restaurant is the only restaurant. It's open all 3 meals of the day. He did say, as we were taking our tour, they do have specific theme dinners every night in there. So it may be an Italian theme or an American theme or a Mexican theme, but it is a different style of dinner each evening. So now we're kind of coming out to the pool area. But just for reference, that's the main lobby that we were standing up in earlier. We're now down on the lower level, out towards the pool.
put the lights on it and the stage depending on the show.
This space also doubles as an amphitheater. You can have seats in here. In the evenings, they have lights, and then they set up a stage down here in front of the pool. So that's where they have a lot of their entertainment in the evenings. Okay, now we're coming into the other side of the lower level. We're back here to the grill that they set up. Again, that's usually poolside. But because of the rain, it is under the cover. You have a tours desk here. Doing some more grilling here. And a little shop option. And we're going to have a look in the diner here, so we'll take you inside. Do have some little shops and vendors by the pool here, and then also this restaurant, Lorenzo's, is a Italian bistro that is open for lunch and throughout the day, so a little bit of a quick service concept. Gives a nice option for people in the middle of the day. Here's one of the really neat areas of Hyatt Ziva Cancun on site. We'll see if we can find him. There he is there. A couple of them right there. The Dolphin experience. Here on site at the hotel. Really cool.
Now from the bridge to the left.
Over on the other end of the Dolphin experience is the kids clubs down there. They do have kids clubs on site, so that's always great to see. And we're going into the main family building here. Of course, some of those rooms, one of the room types you can book is the Dolphin View rooms. We'll mention there are quite a few stairs in this area, but every area for guests in this resort does have ramps like this or elevators to make it accessible. Through the pyramid building, which is the main family standard family rooms. All of the rooms on this side are oceanfront. We're now on the other side. There's the lighthouse down there for reference. So great ocean views on this side, not a beach on this side, but definitely get the great ocean views. And then some swim out rooms. So again, all the rooms on this side of the hotel, the upper levels, are called ocean front, whereas on the other side of the building, they were ocean view. So this is the preferred section of the resort. We're in front of the family tower. Over there is the adults only turquoise tower, and this is a preferred pool area. A little bit windy out here today, so sorry if there's some noise. We got some storms, may move into the area. a beautiful section here, and then a beach over on the other side of this pool that if the weather holds, we may go over there. So this is the club lounge for the family club tower. There are 85 rooms in this tower, and it has its own lounge right here on the first floor. Private check-in, drinks and snacks, and even a bar over in the corner. But again, for the guests staying in the family club tower. Great view here through the pool and out onto the beach on this side. Again, it's raining a little bit, so I'm not sure if we're going to get down to that beach, but another great beach on this side of the peninsula. Right here off of the pool is the Turquoize restaurant, which is the steakhouse. That is open to all guests, not just Turquoize, open to all guests. Again, no reservations for any of the restaurants except Hibachi. So now we're going to head on into the Turquoize Tower, which is the adults only. The Turquoize Tower does have its own check-in, some cookies and snacks, and all the rooms here have butler service. Okay, we are in a second floor room here in Turquoize level. Here's the bathroom. I'm not going to do a full room tour again. There's several other people in here with me, but we'll give you a little B-roll. So coming into the spa now, we have the beauty parlor. Check-in area. So this is the hydrotherapy room, and this room is included for Turquoize guests if you're on a stay of 6 nights or longer. So if you're in the upgraded Turquoize experience, you can do this for no cost for 6 nights or more. And the sauna, and a cold pool. These are some aromatherapy showers. And it is $75 per day if you want to add the hydrotherapy area here for any adult that is not Turquoize. So we're coming back now from the Turquoize area, headed back towards the main area of the resort, and there are some shops and things like that on my left. Jewelry shop. There's a tour shop here across the pathway. And then here is the fitness center. As we keep coming down the path, we come to the coffee shop, Casa del Coffee, and just for reference, the Dolphin area is right down here, so we're back to this side of the resort. But we're here at the coffee shop. Looks like coffee shop hours are 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And then next to the coffee shop is the sweets and ice cream location. Whew. Looks good. Chocolate fountain going. There's some ice cream, candy, other sweets, macarons. Really cool. Okay, we're going to go into the Tres Cervezas Mexican Sports Bar. This is an all-day dining venue included, and it is family-friendly. And so we are back to the main lobby here. That will conclude our little walking tour of Hyatt Ziva here in Cancun in the hotel zone. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and if you need help planning a trip, visit us at www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. We would love to help. We'll see you next time.